scared.
For protection of this phone, please switch it off now and comply for everyone's safety. Thank you.
We're just waiting for the plane to leave. 3 hours and 15 minutes flight. Just arrived here at Changi International Airport in Singapore. Isa lang po, isa pa lang. Hello mga sis, I'm here at the lounge of the hotel. Tapos nagpunta ako sa may balcony area. At ayan yung view ko. Super nice. Ganda pala na Singapore kapag nighttime. This is the night view from our hotel. That's Marina Bay Sands. Over there. It's nice. Good morning, guys! Good morning, mga sis! So, this is the view from our room. Yan, binuksan ko na yung bintana para magising-gising ang aking diwa dahil I need to go to the lounge na. So, this is a city phone. And we have to sign a waiver for this phone kasi this is a phone where you can bring anywhere with you. Meron siyang Google Maps and everything that you can use to explore the city. Tapos, ayan. May rin siyang city guide. Hindi ko pa siya na-explore masyado kasi low bat siya eh. Hindi ko din siya ma-press. I don't know why. Wait. Ayun, may city guide siya. Na may mga tickets, kung ano yung mga mapapanood. May tickets sa Universal Studios yan, 61 Singapore dollars. Garden by the Bay. Ayan, Sentosa, Fun Pass, and everything. Explore nearby. Ayan, mamaya siguro, I have to explore this before I go out of the room. May pang-call din siya. Locally, internationally, it's free that you can call. This is my breakfast, guys. So, hindi pa ako nakakaligo. Nagbihis lang ako to eat breakfast here at the lounge. So, yung floor namin, nila mommy, from 19 to the 22nd floor, we have the access to the VIP lounge, Sky Lounge, which is a separate breakfast area with all the other guests in the hotel. So, mas okay kasi hindi crowded. And then, you pay for the view, guys. See? It's the Marina Bay Sands over there. So cool. Kain mo na. Hello mga sis, tapos na ako mag-ayos. So, simple makeup lang. Hindi ako naglagay ng eyeshadow. Naglagay lang ako ng eyelashes. Tapos ito yung suot ko. Just pink shorts and pink top. Tapos yung pink ko na sling bag na ganyan. Maglalakad ako mag-isa sa labas ngayon. Hindi na masyadong mainit if you can see. Unlike kanina, super sunny. It's already 2:15 PM. So, ayan, maghahanap ako ng 7-Eleven kasi may mga pinapabili si mom na kailangan niya. Tapos, nakalagay kasi dun sa maps, 21 minutes to walk daw yung Haji Lane. I'm gonna try to see if I can walk all the way through there. Kung I can make my way to Haji Lane mag-isa. So, ayan, lalabas na ako ng hotel room. I'm just checking kung mayroon akong naiwan. Or naman guys, di pa ako naliligaw. Diyos ko, ang hirap pa naman mag-isa. Pero, it's an adventure. Look at this area, guys. So cute. I'm happy. So, narating ko ngayong araw na to. Ang hirap lang mag-pictorial mag-isa kasi nga, you know, when you're alone, no one's here to take your picture and everything. But, yun, nag-selfie na lang ako tsaka nagpapatong-patong ako ng cellphone. Morning, guys. I'm already here inside the bus. I have a city tour today. I'm not sure what time it will be done, but it's currently 9:15 AM and we're going now. I'm not sure kung ano yung mga pupuntahan namin, mga places today because in-arrange lang tong tour for me nung operator namin dito sa Singapore, si Gary. So, thank you so much, Gary, for arranging this city tour for me. So, let's see what adventure we're going to do. right now at Little India. It's the main street of Little India, the place here in Singapore. So, andun siya. Nag-explain lang yung tour guide namin ngayon. So, makikinig mo.
Unfortunately, these are very old designs. These have been built here for more than 30 years. So, they do not have the laundry room. In those days, people did not think of the laundry room because 30 years ago, hardly anybody got a washing machine.
Na-explain ng tour guide namin na they don't have the luxury here in Singapore to build houses or condominiums na paano, yung malapad. So, kailangan pataas dahil maliit yung space nila katulad na no. So, sinasabi din niya na sobrang compact yung mga places dito kasi nga kailangan nila magtipid sa space. Wala silang mga laundry room and that's the reason why they have those mga sampayan sa labas. Ayun no. Nakasampay yung mga damit nila doon para i-drip na lang nila yung yung wetness ng mga clothes nila outside of their condo. Now we're walking in the marina area. As you can see, there's the Marina Bay Sands. I'm not sure if we're going to see the Merlion right now, but we're walking. Now approaching the Merlion, guys. I need to hurry up because alis na yung bus namin, baka maiwan ako. So, ayan guys, madali na ako papunta sa meeting point namin. Medyo mahirap mag-picture mag-isa, guys. Sa totoo lang. So, guys, we're currently now here at Chinatown, known as Pagoda Street here. So, ayan, mag-explore kami for 30 minutes on our own and then come back to the bus right after. Naglalakad ako ngayon dito sa may Chinatown area. You can see, ayan, over there is the pagoda. So, ano kaya pwede mabili dito? Or I need food actually. I'm really hungry right now. Dito naman kami ngayon sa Botanical Garden where we can see orchids, which is, yun yung isa sa mga symbols ng Singapore. So, I'm just gonna follow the group. Kasi meron na kami iniwang yung tatlong Pilipinang nakilala ko. Iniwan na sila ng tour bus. Naiwan sila sa Chinatown. Kasi nga, ayun, hindi sila bumalik on time. Ayoko namang maiwan. Look at all the pretty flowers. And it's pink. Dito ako sa isang local restaurant nila, just near the hotel. So, order ako nitong nasi padang set A. Yan lang, chicken, rice, and eggs. Kasi baka pag iba in-order ko, hindi ko magustuhan yung lasa, hindi ko makain. Hinugo ko na lang siya para makain ko siya sa hotel room. Kasi in the internet, my mom is calling, messaging me on Facebook, baka magkita kami in a mall somewhere. So, yun. Pinaprepare lang nila yung food ko nilang malapit. Balik na ako. Local eatery lang siya dito. Yung mga locals na kumakain. Fairness, maganda yung we're now here at Marina Bay Sands Shopping Mall. Kasi we're going to watch, we're going to go to Gardens by the Bay at night. So, ayan, ito yung pinaka, walkway. Hinihintay lang namin ni Tita Patty. Hi, Tita Patty! Mas may Tita Patty. Dito sa Chanel area. Yes. So, we can go to, Gardens by the Bay na. Yes. Ayun, puro mga pang social yung Chanel. Shopping mall yan. Meron Chanel dito.
All the decoration because of the Chinese New Year celebration.
Yes. Tapos yun, may Gucci din doon. Which is hindi ko naman ma-afford, guys. Super mahal. Pero may mga pink-pink doon. Picture. Look at the display of Tory Burch, guys. It's so pink. So Martha. It's so me. Super cute, guys. Tapos over here, may mga flower arrangements sila. Pero syempre, hindi totoo yung flowers. Tapos outside the mall, makikita mo rin yung Merlion Park pala here. Nandun ako sa kabilang side kanina. Nung nagsa-struggle is real akong mag-picture. So, we got here at the Flower Dome after walking for like 20 minutes. But then it's closed for maintenance, guys.
Yun, so close for maintenance yung Flower Dome. Tapos yung Cloud Forest lang over there, yung open. Pag ginamit namin yung ticket namin sa Cloud Forest, hindi na kami makakapasok sa Flower Dome tomorrow pag nag-open siya. So babalik na lang kami bukas nila mami dito. So pupunta na lang kami sa mall, punta kami si Sephora. So yun gagawin na lang namin.
Malapit sa kinalina na.
Hindi, signature ko. Yeah, katatapos na namin mag-Sephora. Thank you, mami!
You're welcome. Kaskasin.
Ano?
Kaskas ulit.
Kaskas daw, kaskas credit card. Guys, kagagaling lang namin ng Sephora. Ayan. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog sa loob ng Sephora kasi bawal. Nagbawalan nila ako na i-video. So, ayan. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo later yung mga binili ko. Thank you so much, mami. Kinaskas niya ang credit card niya. Nilibre niya ako kasi birthday ko naman. Minsan lang naman yung mga ganitong moment. Very thankful.
Wow, this one. And this is only the first application. So just imagine what will be the result after 1 month.
Yung product na tinry nila kay Tita Patty is itong Elevation Firming Mask for the eye bags. Ang galing guys, kasi talagang lumiit talaga yung eye bag si Tita Patty. Although it's 2,000 Singapore dollars, medyo pricey talaga siya guys. But, super nice naman yan. Sa loob na kami ng cab, babalik ng hotel. We're gonna have dinner din. May free kasing dinner for the, ibang may lounge access hanggang 8 PM. Sayang naman. Tapos manonood na kami ng laser light show doon sa taas. Sa may roof deck. Hi guys, good afternoon! So ngayon lang ako nag-start ng vlog for today. I think today is our 4th day. Tama ba? Sabado, Linggo. Yeah, 4th day na namin ngayon dito sa Singapore. And I'm walking. Dito ako sa may Stamford Road ngayon. Yan. I'm walking alone again. Exploring. I'm going to Haji Lane. 20 minutes walk from our hotel. So, okay na rin kahit mag-walk. Dapat magkakab ako. Pero since it's windy right now and it's not really sunny, nag-decide ako na maglakad na lang. Sinusunod ko lang yung Google Maps again to walk to Haji Lane because I heard it's really cute there. Maraming mga Instagrammable photos. So, guys, so while walking to Haji Lane, ayun Toast Box. Nadaanan ko meron silang sale every 12 noon to 2 PM. $1 na lang to coffee jelly milk tea nila, which is normally $3.80. So, sarap guys. Nakakatuwa. Tama-tama. Gutom na ako, tsaka nauhaw na ako dahil I've been walking for the past 16 minutes already. But malapit-lapit na ako sa Haji Lane, so pagdating doon kakain muna ako. I just got here at Haji Lane guys. We survived walking. So this is the whole lane right here. Let's see what we can explore before we eat. So, mayroon dito mga cool shops. Yan. Tapos mayroong mga ano doon, parang handmade stuff. This cute restaurant here guys. Cute ng wall art niya. Sarap magpa-picture pero kailangan yata kakain ka na, kaya naman. Ito na yung pinaka parang wall arts ng Haji Lane. Siyempre, struggle is real na naman ako sa pagkuha ng pictures kasi I'm alone. So, patong-patong na naman sa mga bag. Hopefully, okay naman yung mga pinuha kong pictures. Pag selfie nga. But guys, look at that wall art right there. Yung pinaka malaking wall art nila yung sa Haji Lane. Ang dami nag-take ng pictures. I asked for a photo sa isang lalaki and parang Japanese ata siya. So, dito ka picture of me pero dun sa big window. Dito, I don't know how I will take my picture here pero kita niya naman. Selfie na lang siguro. So mga sis, I met new friends here in Haji Lane. They took my picture kasi nahirapan ako kanina. This is Fiji and Osha and they're from Indonesia. New friends! Say hello! Thank you! Miss you! Oh my god guys, it's drizzling right now. Sana hindi ako maabot ng malakas na ulan. I hope I can find a taxi right away. Pabalik na ako sa hotel. I was planning on walking pa sana. But since, ito na nga, dapat maglalakad lang ako pabalik ng hotel para tipid. Kaso umuulan. Makaabutan ako ng malakas na ulan. Hanap ako ng taxi lane, o taxi stand. Saan ako makakasakay. guys, naglalakad ako mag-isa ngayon. Nagpunta naman akong Bugis Street. Doon kasi ang alam ko may taxi stand. Doon nagpunta kami ng isang gabi. Doon na rin ako kakain. Dahil wala akong makainan sa Haji Lady. Parang hindi ako familiar sa mga kainan. So, ay, nakakapagod. Tsaka gutom na ako. Kaya pa pala tumatawag sa akin si Mami dito sa handy phone. Pero nilagay ko siya sa loob ng bag nung nag-picture moment ako kanina sa Haji. So, ayan. Finally, reach my destination, guys. So, ito na. Bugis Street na siya. Ayan, I finally found the perfect place to eat, guys. Here. Hanap tayo ng masarap na mga kainan. I walked here, guys, for the lights because it's pink. Sana lang may mag-picture sa akin. Parang mayroong mga art exhibit dito sa Capitol Center. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo mga drawings kanina. So, si ate, pinapatry niya ako mag-drawing. So, let's go try. Wala pa naman 12 o'clock, hindi ko pa birthday. So, nag-roam around lang ako ngayon. So, pakita ko sa inyo ibang mga art. So, yung mga drawing. Yan. So, yan. Try ako. Yung mga drawing na yun, guys, is created using all these stamps. And ito, may corresponding number yung mga shapes, ganyan. So, you'll make your own portrait by using all these stamps. So, I'm gonna try to make one for myself. Ang gaganda ng mga nandun, creative ng mga tao. Tapos na yung drawing ko ng aking portrait. Sasabit ko siya doon. Iwan ko siya. Pero I'll take a picture of it muna. So, ito siya. Finished portrait using only stamps. Tapos nilagyan ko lang ng sulat ng ballpen sa ilalim. Of date and from the Philippines nilagay ko din. So, ayan. So, fun activity to dual board. Habang hinitay ko si Mommy sa hotel room. So, aking portrait together with all the other portraits that other people drew. So, balik na ako ng hotel. Tapos siguro adventure ko for today. Ang ganda lang talaga ng plaza. So, binalikan ko talaga siya. Hello everyone! It's January 19 today. It's my birthday and ready na kami ni Mami pumuntang Universal Studios. So, pareho kaming naka-backpack para mandago lang. Medyo late na kami nagising. 10:30 na, but we're planning to be there around 11. Siguro hanggang mga 4 PM kami kasi later may Philippine night kami nga attendan for the travel. So, yeah. It really has the old school vibes. It's cool.
Hello, I'm Steven Spielberg, and this well, I know it doesn't look like much now, but trust me, this soundstage and when you're about to enter are just about the most incredible places on the planet.
Wherever that sign lands, we only hope there are no people nearby.
This is the emergency broadcast system. The hurricane is now Category 5. Stay away from all windows and extinguish all flames. Repeat, extinguish all flames. Everybody
is urged to remain calm. The authorities have the situation under control.
That's a cut.
Wow.
All right, let's reset. Everything goes back to 1.
Are you guys ready for the show? And now show some love for people in ass. Let's go. Let's do it.
Second Fiona. Nakakalimutan talaga mag-theme park, guys, kasi wala lang, yung mga attractions you'll see, tapos yung mga rides and everything. Sige ma, tuloy ka na. Konti lang yung tao, so it's good. Kasi usually kapag nag-Universal kami, grabe yung queue, as in. Lalo na nung nasa LA, minsan 1.5 hours to wait. Pero dito, the most na yung... Pag ganun na. The most na yung 30 minutes wait sa Transformers ride. I experienced waiting 3 hours. Sakay na kami ng boat. Ay, basa! Basa siya, guys. Doon na kami ni Mami sa loob ng boat. Madagascar.
Hey Marty, we're being sent away! It's a transfer! It's a zoo transfer! What do you mean, transfer? Gotcha!
Transformers ride, 4D ride. Ito yung last namin sasakyan before we head back to our hotel. Or mag-ano na yata kami, Gardens by the Bay. So, yeah. Nice.
Uh-oh, that's trouble, alright. Watch out! It's Ravage. He's after the Allspark.
Guys, we're now here at the Egypt Lost City. So, yan, makikita niyo yung mga design. Hindi na sumama si Mami kasi napagod na siya. Napuntahan naman niya ito yung beses na. So, ako na lang muna mag-explore. Ayan guys, because it's my birthday today, galing ako sa guest services. I forgot, just ko, paalis na kami kung kailan ko siya naalala. That if it's your birthday or first time mong pumunta sa Universal or Disneyland, bibigyan ka nila ng badge. So ako ito. It's my birthday badge and then they gave me coupons for free popcorn and 15% off whatever you want to buy inside. So, kukunin ko lang yung free popcorn namin ni Mommy kasi I'm a little famished na rin. So wala lang, cute lang ng badge. Additional to my collection sa travel board ko. Service coming from Universal Studios. Dahil lang haba ng taxi lane. Siguro tong limo service na to, it's sulit kung merong group of 4 to 5 people and then $50, then you'll just split the bill, diba? So, but if you're alone and then you don't have any time to consider, you can just take the cab. Hello guys, we're back here at the Flower Dome and the Cloud Forest area. So, hopefully, open na yung Flower Dome. Na-close nung isang araw na we went here. So this itsura ko, pagod na kakalakad. Galing pa kami Universal Studio. I just changed Universal Studios. I just changed my top. So, ayan, mukhang bukas naman yung Flower Dome. Let's enter! Thank you. Thank you. Dito na kami sa loob ng Flower Dome, guys. Malamig dito sa loob, kaya refreshing. Sa labas, super init. So, yan, maghanap lang ako ng pink na flower so I can take a picture. Alam nyo naman, pink ang aking Instagram theme. Inspired by my idol, my travel idol, outfit idol, Bernie and C. So, hi Bernie, sana you're watching my vlog. Yan, cute lang. This one is so mesmerizing, guys. So pretty. Cute ng sunflowers. Ang bango-bango niya. And nagmo-moist yung camera because it's very damp in here because of the flowers. So there's a pagoda right there. There's Tita Kaki. So ayan, pagoda of flowers and then mga lanterns over there. It's pretty nice in here, guys. Ang bango-bango sa loob. Let's go inside the cloud forest. We're now here inside the cloud forest, guys. So, ayan siya, yung man-made falls. So nice. Diba? Natatakot na si Mami.
Parang gusto kong bumalik.
Kaya mo yan, ma-push mo lang yan. Oh my God, guys. Medyo nanginginig yung legs ko, ah. Papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kataas yung cloud walk. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Oh my God. Ayan, ganyan siya kataas. Just go learn. This is how high the cloud walk is. Kaya si Mami natatakot. Ayun, nauna na siya.
Tapos sa hike?
Opo, tapos. Hindi na ako makalakad ng maayos. According to my Samsung Active, 18,000 steps today. Morning, guys! We're here at Sands Convention Center. We're going to go to the parang travel tour expo nila dito sa Singapore. So, yan. Nasundan ko lang si Mami. Nagtanong ako kanina, guys, kung magkano yung Mark II na Canon G7X. Ang mura dito, as in 660 Singapore dollars lang siya. So, lumalabas lang siya 23,000. Samantalang sa atin, 38,000 siya binibenta. So, pinag-iisipan ko kung bibili na ako dito ngayon. Since pangarap ko talaga magkaroon ng camera na yun. So, later, let's see kung ano. Ayan, ASEAN Tourism Forum. Yan yung parang travel tour expo nila dito. Pasok na tayo sa loob.
Saan kaya nila?
Malaysia. Yan, Singapore. Tapos, I don't know if may booth dito ang Philippines. So, malamang meron. Hi guys, naglalakad lang ako dito sa labas ng shops at Marina Bay Sands. Si Mami, she's at the bathroom. Nagpapalit siya ng damit for the closing of the event tonight. Sa my Flower Dome events area. So, tagal niya, makeup siya. So, lakad-lakad muna ako dito sa labas. Kasi kita naman yung, kita yung Merlion on the other side. I'll show you. Tapos, ito, nag-shopping na naman kami sa Sephora. Si Mami bumili ng mga Dior niya na makeup. So, that's my view, guys. That's the marina over there. Tapos, makikita nyo dun yung Merlion. Ayun. Zoom natin dyan ng bonger, ng konti. Ayan. Kita nyo, parang may mga langgam doon. Tao yun, guys. Nakaupo lang ako dito mag-isa sa Banshee effect nila. Yan. Sa hanay na yan. Diyan ako nakaupo. Emote lang, guys. Naantok ako. I'm actually waiting for the confirmation of my friends if we're gonna meet up later. Yan, guys. Ito yung loob ng Marina Bay Sands Hotel. The rooms are those on the side and the other side. And then over there, there's like a restaurant. Ayan na yung itsura ng mga avatar trees when it's a little bit darker. Mas maganda sana siya pag talagang gabing-gabi na, kaso parang ang tagal pa bago dumilim if I wait for it. Ayan, feeling ko talaga, guys, sa Avatar Land ako. Oh, yung mga ang tataas niya. I'm actually taking my time kasi baka dumilim na. Kita na natin siya at night. Pero, ganyan pa lang, guys. So, ang ganda na niya. Right? Pretty nice. Ang ganda ng view from here, guys. Kita mo yung Marina Bay Sands Hotel. And then, these amazing super trees. Hi, guys! I'm here at Costa Coffee at Raffles. Raffles, ano to? City with my high school friends. Ayan. O, diba? Sa wakas nakita rin kami. After 6 days, 6 day ko na ngayon. Nag-explore ako mag-isa. Mga busy kasi sila sa mga work nila eh.
No, after 6 days.
The last time we saw each other was high school graduation.
Talaga?
Which is 1999. We graduated high school. Yes, don't compute our age. Ganon, diba? Alam niyo naman, 34 na ako. Tapos, kasama ko din si Carol, ang reyna ng editing floor sa GMA nung pumasok ako doon. Pero dahil umalis na siya doon, ako na ang bagong reyna. So, ayun.
That's what you think.
Nagko-coffee effect lang kami dito. It's our last day here in Singapore and 8 PM pa yung punta namin sa airport. So, yung operator namin si Gary. Yeah, he took us to lunch here at the famous Bak Kut Teh place. It's near the hotel, so we're going to eat. This is our food, guys. Braised beef, braised pork, and then the Bak Kut Teh. I'm so full. This is a barley drink. It's full barley. Iced barley ang tawag nila. Sarap niya, guys, kasi nakaka-addict siya. Andito pa rin kami sa airport ng Singapore. Ayan, nasa may boarding gate kami waiting for our boarding time. We actually passed by an electronic shop and nag-inquire ako ng Canon G7X Mark II but they're out of stock. So, the sales actually, nagtanong din ako nitong Sony RX100 Mark III which is ito talaga yung parang kino-compare nila sa Canon G7X Mark II na parang pareho sila. The reason why I bought the Sony one is because I like their picture quality better talaga, yung mga Sony lenses, ganyan. The only difference, talagang advantage ng Canon is it's touchscreen, this one is not. Pero it's okay, I don't really use the touchscreen a lot anyway, so yun. So ayan yung ano niya, ayun yung camera sa loob. Picture. Ayan yung camera. Tapos, si Kuya, binigyan niya ako ng free na bag. Yan. Soft carrying case. For traveling. Tapos, marami siyang binigay na free eh. He also gave me a free travel charger. Yan. Worth $60 to, pero he gave it for free. And then, I also got a memory card for free, 16 gigs. Okay, so, this is the inside of the box. Ayan yung mga charger cable niya and everything. Tapos battery. And the camera is here inside the soft case. Okay. Ayan na siya. So, this is the camera, guys. Sony RX100 Mark III. So, ito na yung ipang vlog ko. Kasi yung mirrorless kong Samsung nasira yung lens. So, this one I'll be bringing to my trips. It's actually more ergonomically designed for vlogging. Magaan siya at hindi bulky. Now boarding. Going back to Manila.
Put your mask on first before assisting them. When this happens, grab the mask and pull firmly towards you.